Hey everyone, today we again discuss the topic about loans. You know loans? Loans. So we discuss without any time waste. We start the topic because time is very important things for me, for you, for me. Doctor Saab, what is owner financing? Owner financing, buying home is a significant financial milestone of a personal achievement that's definitely worthy and celebration. The path of home ownership look different for every person and there are various ways you can go about purchasing a home. One of the most common choice when you need a loan to buy a home to obtain a conventional mortgage, which involves borrowing money from a bank to cover the cost of the property instead of turning to the bank of financing. Over some buyers option to purchase homes through owner financing. In an owner financing situation, the seller takes the place of the mortgage lender, and it can be a great option if you don't qualify for a traditional mortgage. Before you decide to purchase a property that's owner finance, however, it's important to learn the basic including how owner financing works, how these deals are structured, and how to determine if one is the best option for your finance situation. Buying a home for the first time, buying house directly from the owners. Owner financing, real estate, self-employed, buying a house on finance properties, the most known basic of owner financing. Owner financing for a sale term, which is seller rather than a mortgage lender financing a piece of property for its buyer. The buyer makes payment to the sellers, and depending on the terms of the contracts, the seller may be able to reclaim possession of the home. If the buyer misses payment while the buyer is in the process of making payments, the buyer can live in the house and enjoy full use of it, just as homeowner has his rights to have it while they are making mortgage payment. Allowed. Some states have specific law to follow. Owner financing is a more customized process than mortgage loan because there is more rooms to negotiate different terms on this type of contracts. Financing institutions are bounded of the different law and regulations, so their mortgages are often much structured. This type of flexibility can be appealing to the potential buyer who have non-traditional financing profiles that are impacted by the factors. How does loan financing works? The transaction starts with the buyer making sizable down payments on at least 10% of the purchase price. The buyer will sign a contract honoring the monthly payments, the interest rate of the loans, and the mortgage schedule. A document showing the amount of principal and interest each payment goes towards for the mortgage. All of the information typically outlined in which called a promissory note, which is documents that specify detail about the debts and the buyer is taking on. It includes information about the buyer promise to pay and the steps they will take to do so.